Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we are about to be discussing how to change Shopify payment gateways. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So simply head over to your Shopify front end section from here, as you can see, and once you are here, what you need to do is you're going to head over to your settings, and here you can see we have our payments and different type of stuff. So let me just actually show you. So here you have your payment. So if you want to change your Shopify payment gateway, you're gonna add different type of payment methods from this section. You can also utilize different payment methods or set manual payment methods as well. So make sure to give it a try to these, and eventually once you do, you will be able to incorporate different type of Shopify payments. So that's how it is gonna be, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.